Losing your job can feel like the ground has been pulled out from under you. It interrupts your income, your plans, and sometimes even your sense of identity. But when that termination feels unfair or even suspicious, the impact can be even greater. Today, we're going to take a deep, clear look at wrongful termination. Wrongful termination happens when an employer fires you for reasons that violate the law or your rights as a worker. This could mean being fired because of your age, gender, religion, national origin, pregnancy, or a disability. It also includes being terminated because you used rights legally available to you, such as medical leave or family leave. And in many cases, it happens when an employer retaliates after an employee reports discrimination, harassment, unsafe conditions, or any behavior that goes against workplace protections. To understand this better, think of situations many workers in San Diego experience. Someone reports a supervisor for harassment, and suddenly their job performance is questioned for the first time. A pregnant worker asks for a reasonable accommodation and within weeks, her position is eliminated. Or an employee expresses concerns about unsafe work conditions, and shortly after, they're written up for minor issues that were never a problem before. These patterns are not coincidences, they may be signs of retaliation, and retaliation is illegal. There are several warning signs that can help you understand whether your termination may have been wrongful. Unclear or shifting explanations. If your employer keeps changing the reason for firing you, that inconsistency may indicate the real motive is something they don't want to admit. Different treatment from coworkers. If you were singled out or held to a different standard than others doing the same job, that can be a form of discrimination. Suspicious timing. If you were let go soon after reporting a problem, asking for leave, requesting accommodations, or asserting your rights, that timing could reveal retaliation. Pressure to sign documents immediately. Some employers try to rush workers into signing release forms, severance agreements, or waivers without fully understanding them. You always have the right to ask for time to review anything before signing. These signs don't guarantee your termination was illegal, but they strongly suggest that something may be wrong. If you believe something wasn't right, one of the most important steps is talking to a labor attorney as soon as possible. A lawyer can evaluate your situation, identify violations, explain your rights, and help gather the proof you need. This includes emails, text messages, performance evaluations, schedules, witness statements, or even changes in how you were treated before your termination. Legal guidance ensures you don't miss details that could strengthen your case. If your termination was wrongful, you may qualify for compensation, including back pay, the wages you lost from the day you were fired. Lost benefits. This can include health insurance, vacation time, bonuses, or other financial benefits that were taken away. Compensation for emotional distress. Wrongful termination doesn't just affect your wallet, it affects your mental and emotional well-being. Reinstatement. In certain cases, you may have the option to return to your job if that's what you want. Deadlines for wrongful termination cases are strict, and waiting too long can cost you your entire claim. If something felt unfair, act fast. Document dates, conversations, messages, emails. Every detail helps strengthen your case. Wrongful termination isn't just losing a job, it's losing stability and confidence. But being treated unfairly doesn't define your worth. Getting help isn't weakness, it's protecting your future, your stability, and your peace of mind. If this happened to you in San Diego, you're not alone. Professionals can guide you, protect your rights, and help you take action. Contact us today, protect your job, your income, and your peace of mind.